Hi, many of you have mentioned to me that you're accustomed to classes on ground and you really miss that on ground feel. I want to try something with you. I want to show you what it looks like to meet online via Zoom. And if you'll look at the announcement that I left for you June 30th, you'll see information regarding Zoom. So there is a button that you click on. There's a link that you click on to access it, and it'll just pull up a Zoom account, and you just click join. Just a minute and I'll show you. It'll look something like this when you pull it up, and you can join by video and click unmute so we can hear you. It's a great feature. Let me move my camera. You can chat with us on there. You can join through computer audio and video, or you could also join through a telephone number. And I have all the instructions right in here. You can download the meetings into your calendar if you want for the next 2 Tuesdays. You probably won't need the meeting ID. You probably just need to click here, but if you can't hear us, you can call in through a mobile phone or a landline, whatever it is that you have. We will be going over information for weeks 5 and 6, so we'll be talking about your final proposal piece that you'll be submitting, and then we'll also talk a little bit about the portfolio. It'll be a time that you can ask questions, you can learn from your classmates, and you can just learn from each other. So I hope to see several of you there. Let me know what questions you have.